go, folks. This will be qualification match number 163. Both alliances able to score early here during the opening period. Period comes to a close. It'll be the Red Alliance out in front, 70-25. Teleoperated period now underway. Movement on the field as 17-17. That's the Penguineers. Put one in through the top of the near side goal. Blue Alliance now nibbling away at that Red Alliance lead. Speaking of the Red Alliance, with the ball right now, it's the Thunder Chickens. Moving now into the red zone. Ball in their possession, but they are being harassed by the Blue Alliance defender. 53-20 is on them. That's the Cyber Hornets. Now they shoot and they score for the Red Alliance, giving them 100 points. Following along now with the Blue Alliance robot 1266. It shoots and scores at the back of the blue zone. Now we're watching as the Blizzard, with the ball in its possession, tries to move from the near side blue zone. Instead, it goes ahead and passes the ball off. Tried to get the ball up and over the truss, didn't go that way. Human player goes ahead and passes it to one of the robot players now. That'll be robot 5098. No, little deception there. Thunder Chickens with the ball. They lose it. They'll have to track that ball down. And now here's a foul. Technical foul charged to the Blue Alliance. 53-20. The rookie team will pick up that foul. Looked like it may have been for possession of an opposing Alliance ball. Back to the action on the field. With about 37 seconds remaining in the match. 191-116. Red Alliance is out in front. Red Alliance shoots, bounces off the side of the goal, back into the field of play, no joy there. 1266 for the Blue Alliance, ball in its possession. It's trying to get the ball up and over the truss, gives up, goes ahead and drops off the ball for its Alliance partner. Partner was blocked by team 188, Blizzard holding him back. 1266 with the ball, 3 seconds remaining. Now there's a huddle, and time has expired.